Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you in this quick video, how to make Tarpapel on Canva. So guys, open the Canva, the first step, and go to on Canva search bar, as you can see here. For example, food banner, as you can see here. And after that, guys, choose any image you want to make a Tarpapel. For example, this image, guys. Click one and custom this image. As you can see here, guys, after customize this image, what you have to do, guys, just click this chair icon and click download this image. After that, guys, go to Google, and on Google search for Doc Slice, this website, and you can make a free poster on this website and the app. After that, wait to loading this page and click get started. As you can see here, this is good website, guys, you can use. You can upload an image. For example, this image I will choose. Wait to loading this image here, guys. As you can see here, this food banner, I want to type up all this image. After that, guys, what you have to do, just click this image and add to page. As you can see here, this was Tarpapel successfully, guys, and click resize full stretch here. As you can see here, you can choose this option, full size, as you can see here, and you can download here from this button. This is image, guys. I hope this video helpful for you, and don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content.